1. The Russian Sleep. The Russian sleep experiment is one of the most famous horror stories on the internet. According to the story, in the late 1940s, Soviet researchers sealed 5 political prisoners inside a chamber and pumped in an experimental stimulant gas designed to keep them awake for 30 days. As the days passed, the prisoners allegedly suffered extreme psychological and physical deterioration, descending into madness and violent behavior. The story became widely known because of its disturbing details and realistic presentation. However, the truth is that the Russian sleep experiment is entirely fictional. It originated as a creepypasta horror story published online in 2010 and has no verified historical basis, no declassified Soviet documents, and no scientific evidence supporting its claims. Its popularity comes from the way it exploits fears about human endurance, unethical experimentation, and government secrecy. Number 2. Nuclear fission. Now let's move to an experiment that genuinely changed human history. In 1938, German chemists Otto Hahn and Fritz Strassmann discovered that uranium atoms could be split when bombarded with neutrons. Physicist Lisa Meitner later explained the process and named it nuclear fission. The concept was revolutionary because splitting an atom releases enormous amounts of energy while also releasing additional neutrons capable of splitting more atoms, creating a chain reaction. This discovery quickly led to the Manhattan Project, a massive secret American program involving more than 130,000 people. The result was the creation of the atomic bomb, which was used against Japan in 1945 and caused catastrophic destruction and loss of life. At the same time, nuclear fission became the foundation of nuclear power, providing an energy source far more concentrated than fossil fuels. The discovery did not merely advance science, it transformed warfare, politics, and energy production across the world. 3. Classified government. Not all significant experiments were conducted openly. Throughout history, governments have funded and authorized classified programs that remained hidden from the public for years or even decades. Declassified records have revealed experiments that tested the limits of human psychology, endurance, and behavior, often under the justification of national security or scientific necessity. These programs frequently shared common characteristics: extreme secrecy, vulnerable subjects, and questionable ethical standards. When they eventually became public through investigations, whistleblowers, or released government records, the reaction was often the same: shock, outrage, and concern about how much can happen beyond public scrutiny. These cases serve as reminders that transparency and oversight are essential safeguards against the abuse of power. 4. Area 51. No discussion of government secrecy would be complete without mentioning Area 51. Located within the Nevada Test and Training Range, Area 51 is a real United States military installation that remained officially unacknowledged until 2013. According to declassified CIA documents, its primary purpose was testing advanced aircraft such as the U-2 spy plane and the SR-71 Blackbird. Because these aircraft operated at unprecedented altitudes and possessed unusual designs, many civilian observers reported seeing unidentified flying objects. Combined with the government's silence, these sightings fueled decades of speculation about aliens, recovered spacecraft, and secret technologies. Over time, Area 51 became one of the most famous conspiracy theories in modern culture. While the evidence points to advanced aviation research rather than extraterrestrial activity, the facility remains a powerful symbol of secrecy and raises an enduring question. If a military installation could remain hidden from public acknowledgement for decades, what other information might still be unknown?